She said her knees were tired at 26. Kai? She said her knees were tired at 26. Kai?
So I went back to the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I used to use this all the time, even though I had dry skin. I used to just make sure I moisturize or add a little bit of oil. Kai, can you please excuse me with your noise? Like really? I have two of these. I don't know which one is the argan oil and which one is regular oil that I put in.
Working.
I have combo skin now, even though it's summer, so my T-zone is a bit oily. Probably gonna need to take this off.
Ready to go to the road? No problem.
I hold up on them, babe.
Frederick Douglass, Maya Angelou, just black girls.
How do you want to try the other one?
Yeah, these are cold.
Those are sick. Those are sick.
Those are sick.
I like those.
It's broken.
That's what I want.
Oh, that is.
That's a concealed carry, but this concealed carry is strapped to your body. And you can wear this bitch everywhere. So yeah, that's how I me want. See that? Look how good.
Missy.
Alright. I'm trying to find this fucking Chinaman, but we can't find him. And I'm sure I saved it.
What video are you see for Instagram, babe?
I think this is it. I think.
Oh, you.
No, it's all gonna be thermal. I'm gonna be thermal. Look.
You want to take a one?
That's the upgrade right there.
How much seat you have?
7.
7. And it still look the same size as that the one that you was
No, baby, don't. No way I see.
Kai, Sapita is in here. Your sister is sleeping.
It's way bigger.
It's a little bit bigger.
No, it's way bigger.
Well, have to see that in person. It look a little bit bigger than that one. Let me see it.
Long like hers, but a little bit bigger than.
Oh, are the same truck over this one? Kai guy.
That look a little bit bigger.
Where we get Kai guy, Dr. Bill? I see him one? Like when the two Chinese people that did have a name?
Yes, this.
Oh, shit, yeah, it's definitely way bigger.
Tough black leather on the inside, actually.
Easy clean.
Yeah.
Right,
Tough black leather on the inside.
console.
A different console. This actually has an inboard navigation system. Formatic, this is a big boy shit. And that grilled, it's just sexy.
Hey, and
Okay.
Kai. Kai. I have way too much shit in this bag right here. Just let go. Kai, the baby is sleeping, Kai. I'm not gonna tell you again. With your eyes. Kai, didn't you hear your dad calling you? You don't listen.
So you're punishing me because I'm big one. I'm the Kenyan. Again, this is all the Kenyans.
Yeah, Mr. First problem.
Like a monkey.
Why are you diverting your anger to me?
Really?
Yeah, it's like you are punishing me.
You're Kenyan.
So you're punishing me because
I'm big one. I'm the Kenyan. Even again, this is all the Kenyans. Like a monkey.
Okay, and then?
Kenyan.
It's like a monkey.
Yeah, sure.
The president of this country.
Yeah, sure. You can go to court and tell me. Who have the evidence? So this is one thing I have to give a later to you at this time. Only later.
So, Judge, I think you should go back to China.
Really? And why you have to stay here?
You see, even if you don't fire me,
No, I will fire you after I go back to China.
that's no problem. I will not work here forever.
Sure. You should not do the business with Chinese, you know?
But whatever you're doing is extremely wrong.
I don't care.
You don't care.
I don't belong to you. I don't like you like a
I
monkey.
don't like you, monkey
Don't be
people.
fake. Smell is bad and poor and foolish and black. Who like that? Why not the bright people like the American?
Then why are you coming to do business in Kenya if we are poor, we are black, for money? Why is it that you need our money?
Money is important.
Why are you advising your hand?
Alright, so it's crazy as hell. Kai. Eyebrow. My Kai, you can't be serious.
So I'm gonna do on camera interview when they talk about how the gay, how Jamaica's homophobic something affected his career and had him messed up for a while.
Jamaica or homophobic or culture?
Well, the homophobic label. Hi, mommy. Hi, mama. Oh, daddy. Okay, let me come out of your way. I'm sorry. She found a mirror. So now it's the TV.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Make sure you the video something. Yeah, the video something. So we went for a little staycation at 2 hotels near us and we had an amazing time. This is the first room that we stayed at. As you can see, this is our view. It's a city view. The hotel claims it's a waterfront view, but it's not. But later on in this video, you'll actually see a room that has a real waterfront view. But this to me is a city view, and tonight is Monday to Tuesday night, and we're staying in this one for one night. And as you can see, the kids are here with us having a great time. Milani is living her very best life, and I'm just chilling and watching TV, and Kai is asleep. As you can see, my baby girl is actually walking. I'm super excited. She just started walking as soon as she turned 1 year old. So we're excited, and you get to see a closer view of the city view that we have, which is beautiful. Every year on my birthday it rains, so I wasn't expecting anything better here in Florida. It is a bipolar weather and it always rains on my birthday.
Oh, go, mommy. Go. Come on, hit your head there. Yes, girly. Come now. Oh. It's a dog. She punch him around.
So Kai is finally up from his nap and Milani went down. This is our daily life, especially when they're off their schedule, and they've been off their schedule for a few days now. They go out of sync. They don't sleep at the same time like they normally do together, because I try to keep them in sync so they go to their bed at the same time, they wake up at the same time. But anytime we're not in our home and they're not following their regular schedule, it's kind of hard to keep them in sync. So Kai's up, Milani went to sleep, and now I'm about to start getting my makeup and stuff done to start getting ready to take my birthday pictures. I actually got to shoot some amazing content. Shout out to Babe for that. I did 3 outfits in this hotel room. Sorry. I did 3 outfits in this hotel room, and then the next hotel room that we'll be going, I did 2. So I have amazing content to post on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? I post on my stories almost every single day, and I post 3 to 4 times a week on my Instagram page, whether that be reel, a video, or a photo. So follow me on there at Brains and the Beat, and this is a 4K Ultra TV. The TV was really, really amazing. And that's me right there, taking out my outfits and getting ready. Which one am I do first, babe?
Which one?
Which outfit?
Outfit them this?
Yes. There are 3.
Those orange shoes look very interesting.
Orange shoes. What about this shoes there? That don't look interesting.
They look very interesting too. Can I tear up a burger?
It's fine.
Eat burr. Eat burr. Eat burr.
Burger?
Things. Things.
Gold earring.
Oh, I think you're drinking out that bottle.
No, so. Definitely not. I don't want to.
Look at your face. And listen, I know I'm not your mom, and I'm not trying to be. But honey, I gotta tell you, you got to look honest. And nothing wrong with it. You got to know when to take them out the box and when to put them back in. Anything else all right?
You can choose what to keep for yourself and what to make public.
What is it, Kai? Use your words.
She is 26 in 2 days. 1.5 day. This is what 26 celebrating as Kai has food on the ground, Chick-fil-A, and his tablet's going over there. She got her outfits laid out. That's me in the mirror right there. Keep it short. Baby in the picture. In the middle of a shoot. And the view. As much as it's not a beachfront view, because that's what I would want, but this is the view. It's significant. You're up in the sky, you're above ground. $26 and doing good. Life could have been way worse.
Yeah.
Now you catch the ambiance of the room with the cinema. Take a pause in the photo shoot. Did they say we invited the whole to flee for herself? You sleepy? Tired?
So we're going to sleep early because we're going to sleep early and started and then we're going to go sleep. Usually last night. I think after 12.
With who? Me not sleep last night. Me not sleep last night. No, me go sleep early and wake up. But me
sleep early to all wake up. Once I wake up, these people was not going back to sleep.
We need a bigger place.
They go to sleep after almost 1 and then me no go to sleep until after 2.
Bigger, right?
They call me phone and then me there put outfit together and I put something.
Download the app today. Wow. No braces, everything's hands-free. I wasn't so lucky.
Invis is not your parents' braces. Invis is faster than braces, and the clear aligner brand most trusted by doctors. Invisalign.
For all your dads to get everything more fun.
Four numbers? One on the 4 numbers?
Malone has 4 numbers.
Loretta, when at mealtime.
0.
One on me, 0. One on me, 0. One on me, 0.
You're telling her to press 0.
Press 0.
press 0.
Press 0.
Your clothes can naturally attract pet hairs. Without pet hair network, your clothes can repel.
And the gracious and likably eccentric Earl.
Alright, give me a couple of poses from here.
Around his ancestral home, including a peek at some touching family mementos.
Hair cut off. That was the tradition. Certainly in this house, it was a tradition.
You know I'm videoing.
Oh, so.
This is Papa's hair. And it's sophisticated. Just a piece of paper from 1770. Just as fresh as the day it's cut off. Cut off is very white.
Alright.
Pneumonia.
Stay right there, stay right there, stay right there, stay right there.
It is. What's the game?
Hi.
Shuffleboard or shovelboard.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
This one built in 1625.
Lost.
Was the beginning of the reign of Charles
Mommy.
III.
She said her knees retired at 26.
People came from as far away
That
as
stuff is for the birds.
prized Cotswold
Kai? Let's change the diaper, Papa.
No. No. No.
No? Come, let's change the diaper. Now take your shirt off.
Shirt off.
Yeah, shirt off. Take your shirt off.
Crab. 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 Crab.
You ready, Kai?
Melanie.
Good morning, beautiful people. So this is just me on the rooftop. The rooftop of this hotel is really amazing. It has a restaurant, it's a bar, it has multiple dining areas where you can sit out, and then this is outside. They have multiple spaces that you can sit. I feel like this part of the hotel should be a major selling point because it was absolutely beautiful up there. amazing. The view, everything was great. And I went up here to get our breakfast. I will say the breakfast was a little bit disappointing, especially for how much I paid for it. I could have gone to Denny's or IHOP and got way better food for breakfast, but that's neither here nor there. I definitely enjoyed my time there. And after this, we're going to check out and leave this hotel and head home for a little bit and then check into our other hotel. So see you then.
I guess this little patches for dogs or something. There's another one out there. Don't even look at the hair. The hair is a mess. Okay, I've been walking in and out of rain, but this is the outfit. I suppose. You want the pan camera? Say hi.
So you're getting a quick tour of the next hotel room that we stayed at, and this is definitely a waterfront view hotel room. It was absolutely amazing. It was very spacious and nice. We had two queen bed, and shout out to Babe because Babe is the one that picked this one. So this was amazing.
Hi, Papa.
Cheers. Cheers, mommy. Cheers, mommy.
That's trash, Papa.
Yours.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
No trash. Touch you. Touch you.
Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Whee! Yay! Yay! Hi, careful. Come here.
Mom's exercising. You think so?
Getting so.
You think so, Papa?
Mommy. Mommy. The chair is wet, Pop?
Chair's wet.
Yeah.
Chair's wet.
Chair is wet.
So, how did you, babies? It's peeing. We went out to eat with the kids for the first time, and it went well. It went way better than expected. So, they're very much capable of going out. and not screaming their head off and creating a scene in in these people's place. I can't. I wouldn't even turn around my camera right now. But that's that. Makeup is off. Everything is off. I'm about to go take a shower. I'll see you tomorrow. No, not really coming. I get me gift that the rest of my stinting them yet.
Oh really?
Oh really? Yes, really. Oh, and we're drinking some. Oh, the kids are sleeping. Sarah, we have been reduced to the little bottle these days. The tiny bottle. Okay, we used to drink the big bottles. Anyways, turn all the way down, darling. I'm about to go take a shower and chill and drink the rest. Call it a night. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, I want to take some pictures on the balcony tomorrow, so I'm gonna wake up early and do my makeup and stuff and take some pictures.
All the milk groupies at the inbox.
Don't do it. I don't even reply. No, babe. So deuces.
Good morning, beautiful people. We are just chilling in bed, getting ready for our day, and then we're actually gonna go out on the balcony and chill for a minute and look at the beautiful view. The view was actually really amazing, and that's just some of our leftover food from Olive Gardens. That's where we went out to eat last night. We're just gonna go on the balcony, chill, inhale some nice fresh sea breeze, and until I get ready to take some more pictures, because I took some pictures for Instagram, and then we will carry on with the rest of our day.
Hi, mommy. Hi, Shug. Boy.
Monkey.
Oi.
Monkey.
Where you been, girlie? Morning, babe. Gotta look at Pum Pum show. Hi, Kai. Kai, look, you gotta say hi. Say hi. Oh boy.
Excuse me, little boy.
Break it, chill. Break it, chill.
Look, mommy, look. No lights, no lights. Oh, yeah, I've seen that song, Silhouette.
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Oh, good morning. they're hiding. I feel footage them anyways.
Wee.
BB. BB. Come before the bump it up.
Noise. Noise. Noise.
Noise, Papa?
Noise.
No, I said her phone would fly. Phone fly.
A pro box then, I use a Jamaica.
Somebody else said, I want to talk about the one.
Well, Uber.
Mm-hmm.
I say I'm tired of my nails.
Everybody to see how it's handled.
Cook says he sent Celebrity Cruises his COVID-19 vaccination card, but it wasn't a requirement. That means he won't have to take a COVID test before boarding. But if you don't submit your vaccination card voluntarily, Cook says you have to take a COVID-19 test before getting on the ship.
Lips, red lips.
But if someone says, well,
Red
your card,
Red
you don't have to take a test, you just walk around.
Yeah, contact one over there for me.
Required to take a COVID-19 test.
So we're here eating some leftovers after I took all my pictures and stuff. Pictures came out amazing, and we're eating leftovers from Olive Garden and chilling with the kids. This is going to be our breakfast, and then we are going to get ready to leave this hotel and head back home. Today is officially the day after my birthday. Today is Wednesday, and babe, and his craziness. So this is on her way home, and I'll see you guys when I get home. So see you in a bit.
So I got a new camera. This was one of my birthday gift, and this is the A6100. My old camera that I'm using now is the A5100. So I got a new phone. There goes your girl, cute as hell. And then I wanted Milani's birthstone, but they didn't have anything for a Gemini when I went there. So they said Gemini is either a pearl or this pink sapphire stone. So I got this pearl set for me to remember Milani. Probably gonna give it to her when she gets older or when she has kids or have a daughter. And then this one is Kai's birthstone right here. And it's gorgeous. Yeah. Here's a mess, but whatever. So I want to thank everybody for wishing me happy birthday. I've celebrated my birthday the whole week pretty much, and I had a wonderful time. Thank you to my husband for making sure I have everything that I want, because honestly I don't need anything. I'm never in need of nothing. And it's been 3 years since Kai was born, since I took pictures, made a big deal out my birthday or anything like that. So I wanted to do something for myself this year. If you guys want to see all the cute pictures on all the bomb outfits that I took, you have to follow me on Instagram to see those. I'm trying to get my Instagram followers up, so follow me there at Brains and the Beat, and I'll see you next week in another vlog. Okay. Oh, and hubby took some bomb pictures. Okay, bomb. Those pictures are everything. Thank you, babe, for taking the most amazing pictures of me ever. He has taken some of the best pictures of me ever since we've been together. Okay, I love you. Thank you for spoiling me. And guys, please know that I'm a brat. Okay, I am such a brat. I got everything I wanted and more. So deuces.